Asiqale sikhulume ngayo bafethu iBay Beyond the Borders episode ephumile namhlanje. It's a Monday, asikhulume ngayo. We have so much to catch on bafethu. Let's go. Alright, so just before we continue discussing the show, please do not forget to subscribe, press the like button, press the bell button. Khona uzokwazi ukuthola ama notifications whenever I drop these reviews. Ngaso sonke isikhathi, this is not going to be the only show I'm going to be discussing. There is just so much more we're going to be discussing. But first, as discuss iBay with the Borders. So bafethu abantwana athena evuka ekseni athola i-video notification on their iPad eshoyo ukuthi bazophuma again for another gathering. Bayithola ke lo notification, and then on top of that abantwana asethola ukuthi khona umuntu othunywe uPeter ethumela bani uZizi. uZizi ke noPeter they somehow getting along ngenye indlela. We all thought ukuthi qhaza boZizi noKingsley, but hayi indlela kwenzeka ngayo ngathi ihamba kahle into yabo labo babili. uPeter uthumele umuntu ozofika azobotoza inyawo uZizi, many pedicure no yonke lento leyo, and other girls were just jealous. Yo. Especially ubani uVuvu. Now here's the thing with uVuvu, ayicaca into yakhe. I mean, everyone is making connections nabantu, but yena she's just there. Yabo kumele icaca into yakhe. But anyways ikwafika lo mlisa loyo njengoba defika nimbona ezowenza uZizi inzipho nani. Hayi amajita ke nawe ngalana ke aqala enza ama bets ke apparently ulento uDaniel ufuna ukwazana noZizi. Lapho uPeter uyayizwa le nto le, and they kind of like made a bet ngoba uPeter uthi yazini wendoda singenza ubet 100k that is Nigerian nairas ukuthi ngeke uze ufish na first base like touch her ass or anything, ngeke uze kwenzeke konke lokho. And uDaniel was like okay cool, so bona yabo ngendlela ethembekayo uPeter ukuthi game yakhe strong. So they went to this function, bahlangana khona kwabamnandi, everyone is sipping, is bubbly, wonke umuntu uhleli nomaqondana yonke lento iyalunga. Bafethu ke zaqala ke ezibhlungu. uZizi wabiza uKingsley eceleni ezomshaya ngepani ukuthi hayi kahle Kingsley sengihambisana nalo into yami nawe angiyiboni kahle. So bafethu ke ambize ke ulento uZizi ebiza uKingsley and la shipa nomtshela ukuthi hayi into yami nawe mfethu kodwa sizama sengathi ngeke isalunga. Bafethu ababhlungu bafethu uKingsley ambona manje yaphoxa ngoba phela bekade lokho ethembile ukuthi hayi lo muntu uyena umaqondana. Yabo but ke nayo uZizi manje waba nobusuku obungebuhle neze ngoba phela ngathini they had a connection ukuthi it didn't turn out to be into greater than what it was. Yabo ngoba phela uPeter somehow made a grand gesture, played his card right, wabese yamwina uZizi, okay? And then again in other couples siyambona uDaniel Sila phana benonani. Hayi hamba kahle. Yahamba kahle. Yabo into yabo iyaqonda, iyalunga, right? Siyambona ke lapha ke uVuvu guys ukena yonke indawo like khona lapho vela biza khona ulento eceleni uPeter efuna ukukhuluma naye. Le ntombazana hayi kuseshawa yini, ushawa nawo mona, and nawusabona mfethu oZizi bayayibona lento uthi hayibo uVuvu yini, why akana maqondana. 2 ubhizi ufuna ukunabantu namadoda abantu eceleni, ufuna ukuba no Peter, ufuna ukumbuza ukuthi into esasinayo ngabe yayikhona yini or whatever the case, ngoba ngiyabona amantombazana asethola abantu abazomenzela ama medicure nama pedicure nani. Uhlanganaphi Vuvu, uhlanganaphi? Phela uyilento eyiyona bafethu hayi uVuvu bafethu. But anyways ke wamtshela uPeter wamtshela ukuthi ayifethu wena ucacile awuzazi ufunani angiphiki. There was a bit of a connection, but umuntu esenginaye umuntu engiqhubeka naye. Yabo nawe you need to find your own person kuyona yonke lento le, ayikho into engayisho. Awubhizi kuyacasuka lapho ke uVuvu kanjani like guys come on. Anyways ke bafethu this was this week's episode yeBay Beyond Borders. I eventfully ibimnandi. Oh my gosh, sesilinde eya next week sibone ukuthi how are things gonna escalate, izonywa kanjani, ubani ozothola ubani ongazathole ngoba labalisa laba nabo sebeqala manje sebezoxabana. I mean at the end of the day mancane amantombazana awu 4 abafana abaningi, something that's never been heard of. Yabo in most cases abamaningi amantombazana. Yabo kodwa sizobona how is this gonna play out bafethu. Okay, Thank you so much for your time. And nokungineza udlebe, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's your boy Azadi. Peace.